Hey, Lord, I want to be asked for forgiveness of sins. But I definitely want to say that even though sex is a sin, it's still better than a number of things. And so it's not about choice or picking a particular sin to be a part of. But if I was allowed to, I would pick sex only because it feels good. Arguments don't feel good. Unemployment doesn't feel good. But let me say this. This particular thing I want to do, sex is better than. So to me, sex is better than divorce between two married people. It is. Divorce is an ugly thing. It gets muddy. Red tape, paperwork, if there's property involved, if there's kids, monies, if there's not prenups or whatever written, it can get ugly. So what started off as a positive thing between two people has turned drastic, sometimes fatal, and sometimes domestic violence rings loud. I might have to keep going back to the infamous words of Prince, instead of out there being with a bomb just crackling in war, I'd just rather be on the couch making love to you. So to me, sex is better than divorce between two people who should love each other.